Are you struggling with blurry vision? Tired of squinting, wearing glasses, or spending money on expensive treatments that don't work? Imagine if you could restore your eyesight naturally, in just 7 days. No surgery, no prescriptions, no doctor visits. Sounds impossible? Well, science proves otherwise. Struggling with blurry vision? What if you could restore your eyesight naturally in just 7 days? No surgery, no prescriptions, no expensive treatments. Tree of Life. Herb, a revolutionary formula backed by Yale University research. This powerful blend targets the root cause of vision loss, improving blood circulation, reducing inflammation, and repairing eye cells at the deepest level. Thousands have already regained crystal clear vision. Imagine waking up and seeing the world in perfect detail, without glasses or contacts. Don't wait. Click the link below and start your 7-day vision transformation today. Tree of Life. Herb is packed with powerful natural ingredients, antioxidant-rich herbs, vision-boosting vitamins, and eye-nourishing minerals, all scientifically designed to restore your eyesight naturally. Introducing Tree of Life Herb, a groundbreaking natural solution designed to restore your vision safely and effectively. Backed by research from Yale University, this powerful herbal formula targets the root cause of blurry vision by nourishing and repairing your eyes at the cellular level. With the perfect blend of nature's most potent ingredients, Tree of Life Herb helps you regain crystal clear vision without the hassle of glasses or risky procedures. Tree of Life Herb works by improving blood circulation to the eyes, reducing inflammation, and fighting oxidative stress, giving your vision the natural boost it needs. Just imagine waking up and seeing the world with sharp, vibrant clarity. Thousands of people have already experienced this life-changing transformation. The best part? You'll start seeing results in as little as 7 days. Say goodbye to eye strain, fatigue, and constant dependency on glasses. With Tree of Life Herb, you can finally enjoy reading, driving, and living life with crystal clear vision.